Here's how to create unique moving frame effects on your video using the film strip mask in CapCut PC. Start by importing your video clip onto the timeline. Select the clip and go to the video editing panel. Click on Mask and then Add Mask. From the list of available masks, choose the film strip mask. You can then resize it, add feathering for soft edges, and position it where you want the animation to begin. To animate the mask, move your playhead to the start of the clip and add a keyframe for the mask's current position. Then, move the playhead forward a few seconds. In the preview window, click and drag the film strip mask to a new location. CapCut will automatically create a second keyframe, generating a smooth animation between the 2 points. You can experiment by adding more keyframes to move the strip horizontally or vertically, or even change its size at different points to create a custom, dynamic look.